merge. Gates open, that up and racing. Loretta draws for your lead. Moving up on the outside, Dance Fever through. Amigo is racing by the rail. Then followed by Pambihira, Superstitious, also in there, Invincible Ink. Then followed by entry number 6, Power Gear, past the last 600. Loretta leading the field by 3/4 of a length lead. Dance Fever moving up on the outside and running by the rail. Superstitious, Pambihira, Debega is on the outside as they turn for home. Loretta, Dance Fever moving up on the outside. We have Loretta, Dance Fever is on the outside and by the rail. Superstitious, Loretta, Dance Fever now moving up on the outside. But it's still Loretta. Dance Fever just got there. Over Loretta, Superstitious 6A. Winners lane close between Pambihira and number 8, De Vega.